let's do a quick demo of creating a vault and unlocking it. And I have my my demo papers here. So my vault that I printed out earlier, as well as the 3 keys that go along with it. Right. So let me take you through the process of creating a vault and unlocking it, and it's super quick and easy. So this is the papervault.xyz website. The code is available on GitHub. It's recommended to install this on an offline computer and not use it directly from the website. The main reason is, it is hosted on Vercel, and should anything happen to the online hosted version, you don't want to be entering seed phrases or anything into anything that's online. So if you do use it for something super important, first copy it into your own computer. Okay, so let's create a vault. This is the vault creation form. I'm going to call it Boaz's test vault. And then I'm going to create a 2 of 3. So basically 2 keys are going to be needed to unlock out of a total of 3 keys. And I'll go ahead and I have a security checklist here just to help people out as they're thinking about this. So I want to make sure that I'm in a private location, away from cameras and onlookers. I want to make sure that I don't have any screen recording software running on my computer, such as I have right now. And I also want to make sure that I'm offline in doing this while I'm completely offline. So had I turned off my Wi-Fi, this would turn into a green box. It automatically detects if it's online or offline. But I'm going to go ahead and accept the risk of being online at the moment, just for the demo purpose. And then I have a wizard here where I can basically choose what kind of form of secret I want to enter. I'm just going to go with a basic note for this demo. And I'm going to say, wow, such secret. And then I'm going to confirm that this is the data that I want to encrypt. And then I'm going to go ahead and create the vault. And this is in the browser, encrypting the secret data and splitting the key and kind of doing what it needs to do. And then it presents me with the 2 options that I have, which are print the documents, or I can download them, right? I could download them into USB. I could do both, right? I could print some copies into USB, and I can also print some copies to my printer. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what this looks like. You get a packet of a vault plus a few keys, right? And you just go ahead and print it on your printer, ideally connected through a cable, so you don't have to be on any network. And then what you should do after you create a vault is you should test it to make sure that it created, that everything went as expected. So similarly, in the unlock process, I have a checklist here. Do you have your encrypted vault? I have my encrypted vault. It's right here, right? I got all my keys. I have enough keys for the threshold. I only need 2, right? So I could potentially, throw one of these keys away. I don't need it. And then I'm going to make sure I'm in a secure location away from cameras and onlookers, and the same online check. I want to be unlocking my vault and viewing my secrets while I'm offline. So I have my other camera connected here, and I'm going to allow it to connect to the browser, and then I'm going to take my vault page here and just kind of scan it in. So that's the vault page getting scanned. I'm going to set it to the side, and then I have my 2 keys, and I'm going to scan them in as well. And it tells me which keys it's expecting. So it's expecting chapter music, couch quit, and husband upset. Husband upset. So I just scanned husband upset and couch quit, and then I can see that the secret in my vault is wow, such secret, right? Okay. So what I would do typically with this vault is, I would distribute the keys, make copies of the vault if I need to, and possibly distribute that. And then you have a geographically separated, disaster resilient, cold storage backup for your secrets. And I think that covers Yeah, that covers everything.